Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into using Notion for building your own family cookbook. In 2025, it's all about making things digital and easy to access, and Notion is a perfect tool for that. Our first step here is to open Notion and create a new page. Click on the plus new page button on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where we'll build our cookbook. The reason we're creating a new page is because it gives us a blank canvas to design our cookbook exactly how we want it. Once we've got our new page, it's time to give it a suitable title, something like Family Cookbook. Now that we've done that, let's start adding recipes. We'll do this by creating a database. Click on Create a Database, and then choose Table. This is a great way to organize our recipes, making it easy to search and find exactly what we're looking for. Now, let's customize this table. We'll need columns for the recipe name, ingredients, method, and any notes we might have. Take a few minutes to set this up. This helps us because it breaks down the recipe into easily digestible parts, so anyone using the cookbook can follow along with ease. Next up, we're adding our first recipe. Click on New in the table and start filling in the details. You can even add photos and links if you like. The reason we do this is to make our cookbook visually appealing and comprehensive. After filling in a few recipes, let's make this cookbook truly ours by personalizing it. Click on Add Icon at the top left of the page and pick something that represents your family. You can also change the cover of the page by clicking on Add Cover. Personalizing the cookbook can make it feel more special and unique to your family. Let me explain why this matters. Notion isn't just about organizing data. It's a tool that can bring your family closer together by creating a digital heirloom that can be passed down and added to over generations. And just like that, we've created a family cookbook using Notion, a simple, accessible way to keep all the family favorites in one place. And remember, you can always add, edit, and update as you go along. Thank you for joining us on this culinary adventure. Now, get cooking and see what delicious delights you can add to your new family cookbook. Until next time, stay organized and keep creating with Notion. That's all for today.